Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from module 3 which is based on equivalence relation. So the question is, let n be the set of natural numbers. Let a relation R be defined by R equals to a comma b, where a belongs to the natural number and b also belongs to the natural number. A minus b is divisible by 5. Prove that R is an equivalence relation. So let write the relation which is given here. R equal to a comma b, where a belongs to the natural number and b also belongs to the natural number, and a minus b is divisible by 5. This is the relation which is given in this question. Now to prove that a relation is an equivalence relation if it satisfies three conditions. First one is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. It means for equivalence relation, three conditions must satisfy. First one is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So now first one is reflexive relation. So a relation is called reflexive if a comma a belongs to R for all a belongs to the natural number. It means a minus a equals to 0. In this question it is given that a minus b is divisible by 5. If I am putting b equals to a in this question, then a minus a divisible by 5 means 0 is also divisible by 5. So here our reflexive property is satisfied. So we can say that reflexive properties is satisfied here. Now move to our second property, which is symmetric. So our second property is symmetric. It means a relation is called a symmetric if a comma b belongs to R and b comma a is also belong to the R. It means if a minus b is divisible by 5, then b minus a is also divisible by 5. So we can consider a minus b equals to 5k and b minus a equals to minus 5k. It means 5 minus k. So any value of k we are taking here, it is also a multiple of 5, so it can be divisible by 5. So we can say that b comma a belongs to R, which is also divisible by 5. So here our symmetric property is also satisfied. Now move to a third property, which is transitive. So now our third property is transitive. So a relation is called a transitive if a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R, then a comma c is also belongs to R. So in this, a minus b equals to 5k we consider here, and b minus c equals to 5m. Then a minus b, which is equals to, sorry, this is a minus c. Here we are taking a minus c, a minus c, which is equals to a minus b plus b minus c. So what is the value of a minus b, which is 5k, and b minus c is 5m. So a minus c, which is equals to 5k plus 5m. So a minus c equals to 5 times of k plus m. Whatever value we are taking here, k and m, it is also multiple of 5. So that's why this relation is also satisfied. So we can say that transitive property is also satisfy here. So the relation which is given here is called a equivalence relation because all these three properties are satisfied here. So R is a equivalence relation. So like that you have to write in the examination to get the full marks. If you want these handwritten notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.